Definitely a tempest. Look at this rain coming down. Very heavy rain. Absolute downfall. There's the water showing up on the grass. So it is just downpouring. Absolutely torrential rainfall. Just torrential. Torrential. Not even my umbrella can keep up with it. Look at this rain. Wow, what a deluge. It's raining about 1 inch per hour. Heavy El Nino rain. This is El Nino. Look at this. Wow. Absolute drenching. Torrential rain. Absolutely unbelievable. Wow. Look at this rain coming down.